This woman has 3 children studying at Asoka Vidyalaya, Colombo. She was allegedly assaulted this morning when she visited the school to meet with the teachers of her children. She is currently receiving treatment at the National Hospital in Colombo. Another group of parents who also alleged that they faced a similar situation this morning filed a complaint with the Mardana police. On Tuesday, a certain group attempted to assault our journalist who visited Asoka Vidyalaya, Colombo to report on the demonstration staged by a group of persons. This attempt was foiled through the intervention of the police. However, one of them later attacked our reporter with an egg. Previously, on the 6th of February, another group attempted to assault our journalist who was reporting on a demonstration staged by a group of persons opposite Asoka Vidyalaya, Colombo. Tensions surrounding Asoka Vidyalaya, Colombo arose in November last year when the principal, who was appointed to the school in an illegal manner, provided the school bus for campaigning purposes of a candidate who contested the Western Provincial Council polls. The arbitrary decisions taken by this individual also forced the teachers at the school to engage in a strike action. Taking this situation into account, the Provincial Education Secretary who appointed the principal in question deemed him unfit to operate the school and removed him from his position. On the 11th of March this year, the Office of the Governor of the Western Province commented to Action TV on what measures will be taken to fill the vacancy.
After the Western Provincial Council polls, we will appoint a legitimate principal and will take measures to clear all tensions. A clear statement was made by the Governor and the Secretary. The Governor is looking into this matter with responsibility. Therefore, no malpractice will be allowed to take place.
On the 13th of May, the Secretary of the Provincial Ministry of Education commented on the process that will be undertaken to fill all principal vacancies in the province.
All vacancies that are available will be published in the newspapers. All the principals who are recruited without facing an interview will have to apply. Based on the marks they receive, we will appoint the principals.
However, on the 19th of May, after the Provincial Council was established, the Chief Minister of the province who arrived at Asoka Vidyalaya informed the teachers that the principal, who was initially deemed unfit and removed from the school, will be reappointed as the principal of the school. In order to fulfill this need, 35 teachers of this school were transferred to other schools, while 12 others were told to report to the Colombo Zonal Education Office from Monday. It is clear that the loss of services of almost 50 teachers at a single school is a big blow to the education of the students in that school.
I attempted to go and meet with the principal to speak about my children. They did not even consider that I was a mother. They treated us in an obscene manner. We can't even face our own children. If we cannot meet the principal and speak about our children, what other rights do we have as parents?
Shouldn't it be investigated whether the dangerous situation outside the premises of Asoka Vidyalaya was created to hide the situations that are creating tensions on the inside? And shouldn't a principal who meets the required qualifications be appointed to Asoka Vidyalaya, Colombo? Governor of the Western Province, once again, this is over to you.